Nakakakilabot naman ito na bago maganap ang sunog sa Los Angeles, California, ay may isang babae ang nagbigay ng isang paalala na may mangyayari daw sa Los Angeles.
As I was saying, my prophetic message for California, there's a dark cloud that's over California, which is the condition of the city, which is darkness. Just like in the days of Noah, when they flooded the earth because of the evilness. I tell you that wrath is coming to Los Angeles, so make things right with God. If you don't know Jesus Christ, make things right with Him. Jesus Christ died on the cross for your sins. He rose again in 3 days. He's alive. He's the one true God.
Ano sa tingin ninyo? Nagkataon lang ba ito? Dahil sinabi niya ito noon January 3, parang ginamit siya ng Panginoon para ipahayag ang masamang mangyayari sa bansa nila kapag hindi sila magbago. At noong January 5 nga ay ginanap ang Golden Globe Awards na kung saan ay wala man lang daw nag-mention kay God at hindi na daw nakapagtataka dahil godless town daw sila.
Los Angeles, there is a wrath coming to this city, and I prophetically speak it out loud as a warning.
Ano sa tingin ninyo ang mga ganitong pangyayari? Nagkataon nga lang ba ito? O isa na pala itong babala sa kanila? Kaya ipagdasal natin ang bayan ng Los Angeles.